Yeah, look at that. What is that, crabgrass? Hopefully, whatever. It just doesn't matter. It's like as thick as this grass is, this pops straight through it. I'm gonna have to take it out probably. You know, you guys let me know in the comments below. Should I go ahead and knock all these weeds out that I've got going on? Or should I just let the winter, the frost take it out, you know? I will be applying pre-emergent, most likely, to the entire yard, although to this section over here, which runs right down here, I am thinking about using some ryegrass and seeding out here and just having a little spot to take care of during the winter. The front yard, I will not be doing that too. These are the spots where I showed you in the last video, fertilizer sat on the turf and caused brown spots, and you can actually see there's still fertilizer sitting up here. Look at that. It's been a week now since I put it out and had a little bit of rain. I've watered it in. So there's another piece right here. So yeah, got nice brown spots all through it, but it is recovering much better. It needs cut. It's been, let's see, I think I cut grass on, whoa, you about to knock me out? Yes. Spurge, it's all through here. More, so this stuff's just coming up everywhere. Spurge mostly, a little bit of crabgrass, mostly spurge. As you can see though, it has been a while since I've cut it. It's pretty thick. It starts to mat down, so it's, even though I'm cutting it at a certain height, it keeps getting thicker and thicker, and the true height of cut is actually not what it is set on the mower, because it's kind of riding on top. With all that said, the grass is nice and green. It's looking pretty good. We got some heat stress right here. So I guess this is heat stress or fungus. It could be fungus. It could be insects. I don't know. Either way, it's the first I've seen this year actually, but we've had really dry weather. We got more through here, and this could be a product of the fertilizer burn too. But the area is looking pretty good. And then if you look over here where we put sand out, this area is coming in very nice as well. It's gonna be a while before it grows through that. Hopefully it grows through that before the season's over. We will see though, it is starting to blend in pretty well. So a few videos back, I posted a weed killer. I sprayed down this entire area and it's nice and dead now. The goal here will be to extend this flower bed around and down, because this area is on the north side of the house and the grass didn't grow very well through here anyway. It would grow, but it was not near as thick as this over here. And it's probably hard to see on camera, but it does start to thin out as it works its way over towards the house. All right, so it's another day in the lawn, and I figured why not just go ahead and mow it one more time. Another mowing video. Everybody loves them, so let's do it. One more mowing video before the season ends, and there'll probably be more after this. Let's go.